Luxury watches don't have to break the bank. If you've been dreaming of owning a Rolex, but always thought they were out of your reach, think again. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 cheapest Rolex watches you can buy in 2024. These stunning timepieces bring all the prestige of the Rolex brand without the jaw-dropping price tag. Ready to elevate your wrist game without emptying your wallet? Let's get started. Hey, watch enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Rolex is the ultimate symbol of luxury, but many people think it's reserved for the ultra-rich. Today, I'm here to show you that you can own a piece of this iconic brand without spending a fortune. We're about to count down the 5 most affordable Rolex watches you can get your hands on in 2024. These watches offer top-tier craftsmanship, style, and heritage without the sky-high prices. Number 1. Rolex Oyster Perpetual, the entry-level legend. First up, we've got the Rolex Oyster Perpetual. It's classic, timeless, and one of the most affordable ways to enter the Rolex family. Prices for the 36mm version hover around $6,000, depending on the color and condition. With its simple design and unbeatable quality, this watch is perfect for anyone looking for their first Rolex. Plus, it's available in a range of vibrant dial colors to match your personal style. Number 2. Rolex Air King. Affordable, aviation-inspired. Second on the list is the Rolex Air King, a tribute to the brand's aviation history. Retailing around $7,000, the Air King combines a unique dial with elements that make it stand out from the typical Rolex design. It's perfect for those who want something with a bit of flair without going overboard on the price. Number 3. Rolex Explorer, adventure-ready and wallet-friendly. Next, we have the rugged Rolex Explorer. Originally designed for mountaineers, this watch is built for adventure. But here's the best part, it's also one of the most affordable Rolex sports models, starting at around $8,000. It's tough, durable, and incredibly versatile, making it a great everyday watch whether you're exploring the outdoors or just exploring your local coffee shop. Number 4. Rolex Datejust, classic elegance at a reasonable price. Coming in at number 4 is the Rolex Datejust. With its timeless design and iconic date window, the Datejust is a staple in the Rolex lineup. You can find pre-owned models starting around $7,500, and it's a watch that fits seamlessly with both formal and casual outfits. If you're looking for a touch of elegance at a reasonable price, this one is for you. Number 5. Rolex Milgauss, affordable innovation. Finally, we have the Rolex Milgauss, one of the brand's most unique watches. Designed for scientists, this watch resists magnetic fields up to 1,000 Gauss. Starting around $9,000, it's an affordable option for those looking for a distinctive Rolex with a twist. With its green sapphire crystal and electric orange accents, the Milgauss is a true standout. And there you have it. These are the top 5 cheapest Rolex watches you can buy in 2024. Whether you're after classic elegance, rugged adventure, or a watch with a story, there's a Rolex on this list for everyone without needing to spend a fortune. So, which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to start your Rolex journey, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest watch news and reviews. Check out these other videos for more affordable luxury watch options, and don't forget to subscribe for more top watch recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.